In this lecture, we're going to learn about set operations. The first type of set operations is the union operation. So in this video, we are going to learn about union operation. What is the definition of union operation? The union of two relations R and S. R and S are the tables in any dbms. Defines a relation that contains all the tuples of R or S or both R and S. Duplicate tuples being eliminated, R and S must be union compatible. In simple words, tuples from either R and S or both tables will be in the result of union operation. Union compatibility. The union is compatible if the schemas of the two relations is match. So what is mean that? There are two conditions. So the first one is if they have same number of attributes or columns, and the second condition is that with each pair of corresponding attributes having the same domain. So what is mean that? Look at the relation R and S. R contains two columns. One is A with domain integer, and corresponding column C, which is also have integer data type, and column B from table R and column D from table S have varchar data type. So the number of columns in both tables are same, 2. So the first condition is true, and the second condition is the attributes having the same domain, corresponding attributes having the same domain. So the A, B integer and B is varchar, and in second table, which is the S table, C has a data type integer and D has a data type varchar. In simple words, if R and S have I and J tuples respectively, their union is obtained by joining them into one relation with the maximum I plus J tuples. Union is possible if the schemas of the two relations match. That is, if they have the same number of attributes with each pair of corresponding attributes having the same domain or data type. In other words, the relation must be union compatible. So what will be the result? The result is R union S 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have one question for you. Do you know about projection operation? The answer must be yes, because our previous lecture was about projection. So by using projection, we can make two relations union compatible. So look at the mathematical example, that is R set is equal to 1, 2 and S set is equal to 2 and 3, 4. R union S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 is eliminated, duplicate 2 is eliminated according to the definition, that is tuples being eliminated, duplicate tuples being eliminated. So according to the definition, 2 is eliminated. Open a XAMPP server, create new database test data, create a table with the name R and two columns A and B. So first column name is integer and second column name is B and data type is varchar. Here data type is integer. So the length is 30 and save the relation. Create another relation which is S with two columns C and D. Length is 30, which is same as in R, and varchar data type. Save the relation. Now insert record into S, which is 1, 2, 3, C, 4, D. Also insert record in R. Select R table and go to insert section. 1, A, 2, B. Save it. Now select all from R. By using union keyword, we can perform union operation in SQL. Select, make sure database is selected, test data. All from S. Press Ctrl plus Enter and look at the result. 1, 2, 3, 4. A and B, two columns are selected respectively. So what will be happen if we are going to S table and insert one row 2 and E, execute the query, and now look at here, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns are selected. By using projection operation, we can also perform the same task. Select all from and look at the result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, because look at here, according to B and E is unique, so that's why 2 is selected once again. And if by using projection operation where A and C, execute the query, now 2 is removed. So you can perform by using different structure and different parameters. If we are going to change this column, and let's suppose length is 40. So execute the query, select all, you can also change the data type into varchar, and what will be the result? Execute the query. Now look at the result is same. So thank you for watching this video. In next video we are going to explain it with real world example.